Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to create poll in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to create poll in Viber, first open up your Viber app, and in order to proceed to create a poll in Viber, guys, you need to know a thing, that is you won't be able to directly create a poll on a personal chat with a person. You can only create poll in Viber on groups, communities and channels. I'll be creating a poll on this demo group. Now in order to proceed, guys, you can see there is a plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen. When you open this interface of the group, over here at the bottom left, at just beside the message bar, tap on the plus button at the bottom right, and you can see there is a poll option available for us over here on this menu, which opens up just beside the file or below the contact. Tap on poll, and you can see, guys, this panel will appear where you will be able to add a question. It's like, how was this tutorial? Let's go, and you can add your options over here: helpful or not helpful, or you can also choose to add another answer by tapping on the plus button over here. A little bit helpful. You can also enable the quiz mode, guys. You can see there is the quiz mode option available at the top right, where it says quizzes can only have one right answer and members answer once and can't change it. You can also turn it on to view it on the quiz mode, and you can add the explanation over here, but we won't be doing that. Let's disable the quiz mode and tap on the create, and you can see, guys, the poll was created where you can answer helpful, not helpful, or a little bit of helpful. So you can see the vote also over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to create a poll in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.